Hello guys, this is Vivarma. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Guys, you can see this is a talcum powder, but how to say open it? So guys, this is a lid, and you can call it cap. And guys, you can see if we have to open it, we have to say flip it open, flip it open, flip it open. I have one more, guys. You can see this is the oil bottle, and the same cap is here, guys, and you can say flip it open, flip it open. So guys, now I'll tell you one more, guys. This is another bottle, guys. This is also a cap, but we will say screw on, and screw off, screw on and screw off. Thanks for watching, guys, and please like and subscribe, guys.